Let's break down the automation features in AutoDS and why they matter in 2025. First, auto ordering. When someone buys from your store, AutoDS automatically places the order with your supplier. No copy pasting, no manual checkout. It even handles tracking updates and sends them straight to your customer. So next, price and stock monitoring. If your supplier changes the price or runs out of stock, AutoDS instantly updates your product listings, so you don't oversell or lose money. Then there's automatic product importing. With one click, you can grab product images, variants, and descriptions from AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and more, already optimized for your store. Finally, automation rules. You can set profit margins, adjust shipping buffers, and decide what happens when the product goes out of stock, like auto replace with a backup supplier. In 2025, AutoDS even added bulk rule syncing and AI-based product pricing suggestions, helping you scale faster without lifting a finger. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check my next video where I compare AutoDS automation to Deezer's head-to-head.